everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, what we're going to talk about is how to get the pins out of these things after you cut these connectors off. Got an assortment here already pulled out. So we'll start with this one here. It's an easy one, and give it a little click and pull right out. With these, from here up, let's plate it. Taking these little things off in the beginning will save you a lot of time and chemicals. It'll save you a lot of time under the fume hood or waiting for that stuff to dissolve. Add a benefit of like taking, well, not particularly this one here, but say these, you'll minimize the amount of solder that you have to deal with. Next one we'll talk about phone connectors. What I've been doing, got the little spring tab off, and then I go right in behind where those blades are. Flip. Flip. Now, you can go in there and take the little blades out. I'm telling you right now, it's a pain in the ass. Sometimes they're magnetic, sometimes they're not. I've been just leaving them in the plastic. Put that over there. Same thing with the network ones. These ones here, you really don't need to take this off, but it don't take much to just cut right through that. Now all you got is this little bit. A little bit of copper that's in there. You could even go a little bit further if you wanted, and flip it the other way. Now you get rid of all that copper. But what you end up doing is you end up cutting the little teeth that cut into that wire. And that's that off to the side. That's garbage. USB cables. What I've been doing, and this is before I started doing this, I ended up with a few of them. Grab it here, twist it down, peel this metal back, grab this plastic, break it off. A lot of times it'll just pull right out. And took some of the wire. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut beyond the solder joint and leave the solder on the wire. That'll help you be able to pull them through the other side. Okay. This one here, it looks to be gold plated on the outside. But I don't believe it is. I believe that it's some chemical treatment. Now mind you, when you're doing this, you want it still attached to the wire while you're doing this. Reason being, that when you turn in your wire, now you got this two ends still on there, giving you some weight. That off. Here's pins. Okay. I left some in there. Now I'm going to show you. You don't have to worry about this. There's no gold on there. These connectors, they're kind of folded, almost origami. That side. Take the shielding off. Get this back cover off. if it becomes an issue, like it has some epoxy here, no worries. Flip it, pull it back. It's gonna come off. And you can see the gold. It's not plated back here. All this is just folded over. Clip it. Take this unwanted material away. These ones here, they're usually pretty brittle enough that it don't take much to get these out. And it has no solder, it's clamped on, but it's only gold down to here, so get rid of that, copper. Now, this is something you do on your spare time, just to watch television or because after a while it will start working on your hands. This one here has no visible gold in it at all. Show you. These things should just pop right out. There's some on there. For some reason it disappeared at the tip. It goes off. If I'm not mistaken, I believe that these are magnetic. They are. Okay, these guys are always pinched together here. Like, well, how do you? This is the easiest way that I've found to do these. I hold it one way, and I grab it at the tip, hold it back, hold it, you hold it back. And what that does is it creates a little gap there. Go on the other side. I don't know if you can. I don't know if that's showing up on the camera there. There's a very small gap there. Sometimes it comes out really pronounced, and it makes it easy on you. This one's being difficult. Take the glasses off. That sounded funny. Take the glasses off so I can see. Yeah, you're getting old. You gotta take the glasses off and see. A different one, just to show you. That one is just being very difficult. So I already got a gap there. Take it. One way, the other way. End up with a gap there. Sometimes it'll pull away from there. Twist. And once you get it open, get the cutters in there. It opens it up. A lot of times, you don't need to take this off. It'll just pull right out. this one here, it usually has all the junk on it. The reason why they have all the junk on it is that this one here is going to be one that pulls out through the front. Boy. See, it's been a while. I'm going to give this a whack with a hammer. Let's see what happens. Alright, I gave it just a little love tap with a PFH, and it opened it up enough that I can get a screwdriver in there at least. Push this out. See if it pulls out from the back. It does not. They're going to pull out from the front. And they have that stuff on there. It's usually a good indicator that it's going to pull out from the front, but it has the solder on here too. It ends up making them even more of a pain in the ass. So, got those ones. Let's find something else. This guy here. That's going to take too long. Alright, this guy. It has some wing tips on the side here. Grab that. Give it a twist away. Okay. Now, this plastic comes apart. take a look at one. See how far down the gold goes. It's going just down beyond where plastic starts. Just clip. What I'm doing is I'm trying to knock off some of that solder because that makes it gotta pull that solder through. Take 3 at a time here. That's that one. That cover. This guy here. Now these may wonder if by the time you get done with it, it's like, oh, is it really worth it? It's got some downtime. And you want to work on your fine motor skills. This one here. Now, look down in there. See that that plating does not extend all the way down. But what you want to do, come in here, oftentimes you're not going to get it all in one shot. Literally just very high. Want to work over something because stuff will fall out all over the place. That, put that there, put that. I guess in a way that I'm like doing a series here. Alright, you took the components apart for the units, now you end up with this stuff. What do you do with the stuff? how do you process? Well, how do you get it ready to reclaim gold? Well, this is kind of part of it, unless you buy it on eBay, and prices are inflated. But this is the work that was put into to get that. All right, here's one that I was kind of looking for. The front come off. So, front pulls off. The pins want to come with it. Yeah. Left a little piece of one in there, but no worries. Yeah. Where I threw it in there, I was like looking and I was like, yeah, that's a lot of material to throw in there. Yeah, it's great to have the inflated plate, but what you need to keep in mind is that inflated weight, the material that you have costs money to process in the ways of chemicals. Now you got more waste, the process to deal with that waste, chemicals that are involved with that, make it safe for disposal. And the byproducts from that waste cost to have the hazardous, where you take your hazardous waste to, what they charge. Now you may notice that some of these I have full connectors. This one here, I'll deal with this. These ones here these are a bitch, because in order to get these little blades out, you have to take this center one out, and it's just little nipple, and it's for that little bit right down in the tip. That's one of the ones I just like set in there. But I was at the point where is a little bit of plastic. I got gold bonding wires in this. It was something that I was checking out. This LED light from a high output LED lamp, an outdoor lamp. When I took it off, I'm not seeing it on this one here. In around this outside edge here, there's gold going around this outside edge. That'll show up. That strip right there is gold. But these, the way I'm figuring is I'm going straight in processing these as is. Even these, well, I'll pick out the, gotta go through and pick out these. Now I'm gonna say, well, what about incinerating them? I had 3 times the amount of what I have in this here. And I incinerated it, and basically what happened was it vaporized the gold. So like I said, and so I decided, you know what, that was a lot of material, and it probably wasn't all that much gold. So I wasn't like that upset about it, but it, you know, it still sucked. So I just made the decision that I'll just go right into the drink with this, and then just let it cook. I mean, there's no patience. You gotta have patience. Alright, let's talk about this guy here. These are easy. I want to get rid of this metal here. That's gonna come off. And once you get that off, see that one pin just like pop right out of there. Get rid of that. There's a line here. I go right along that line. Okay, I go right across that line. That's fresh. These guys, maybe these ones are sharper. Oh boy. do another video on different connectors as they pop up. And, we'll talk about other components there is, get an idea of how to prepare your material. Before you put it in any chemicals. So I hope this helps someone. Go to the next one. Peace.